Hello, this is Pradeep from Sizzlecious with a special Kaphli recipe from Uttrakhand state of India. Today we will make a special recipe of Uttrakhand Kaphli, which is also known as Kapa or Dhapdi in some parts of the state. Kaphli is made from green leafy vegetables, mainly using rye or spinach. In today's recipe we will use rye. Rye leaves do not contain cholesterol and fat at all and are rich in vitamin K, vitamin A and vitamin C. I am ready and I hope so are you. So without any further ado, let's start with tasty and nutritious rye ki Kaphli recipe. First, wash rye in running water under a tap. After washing, chop them into large pieces. Now in a kadai, boil greens in a little water till they become tender. Keep aside and let them come to room temperature. While it cools down, let's make the masala paste. Now take a grinder jar and add tomato, ginger, garlic cloves, green chili and coriander leaves. Now make a fine paste. Grind the rye leaves which we boiled earlier. If you do this grinding on mortar and pestle instead of grinder, saag will be even more delicious. Heat mustard oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, add jakhya seeds and a pinch of asafoetida. Jakhya is a local spice of Uttarakhand. If you do not have it, then you can add cumin seeds instead. When the cumin seeds or jakhya starts to crackle, add finely chopped onions and fry until golden. Now add paste of rye and spices and mix them well. After mixing, now we are going to add dried spices. Now add coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Now mix all the ingredients well. Now you have to roast all these ingredients properly. The better you will roast it, the better the taste of Kaphli. Here I have roasted it for 15 minutes on medium heat. Now add some water, mix well and then cover and cook for 3 minutes. Now make gram flour batter, add it and mix well. By adding this batter, there will be a slightly thick consistency. After adding batter, keep stirring the greens continuously. You have to cook the batter for about 3 minutes on medium heat. Now mix well and increase the amount of water according to your requirements. Traditionally, its consistency is a bit thin because it is eaten with rice. The rye Kaphli with full of nutrients and flavor is ready. Serve it hot with rice, lemon, hand-broken onion and green chilies. That was all for today. See you soon with a new recipe. Take care, stay healthy, eat healthy and keep cleanliness around you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.